This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Lovely 3/2/2 home is located on 0.35-acre fenced-in corner lot. Open floor plan features kitchen with wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar overlooking living room. Custom woodworking includes built-in wall unit, wainscoting, cabinet crown molding, 5 inches baseboards and window cornice boxes. Front windows and kitchen window are newer double-paned windows. Dining room French doors lead to enclosed screen room for added living space. Inside laundry/utility room. Roof installed in 2013 with upgraded rubberized underlayment. AC 2017. Centrally located close to Crosstown Pkwy for easy access to beaches and 1-95. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.